Mary, I don't feel well today. I feel very weak and my head hurts.
Oh, John, you look so tired and pale. How are you feeling exactly?
I have a cough that won't go away, and my throat feels sore. My body feels cold even though the room is warm.
I am really worried about you. When did you start feeling this bad?
I began to feel sick 2 days ago. At first, it was just a little cough, but now the fever is high and I feel very tired all the time.
It sounds like you are coming down with something serious. Do you feel any pain in your chest or difficulty breathing?
Yes, sometimes I feel a small pain in my chest, and there are moments when my breathing is a bit hard.
That is not good, John. I think you need to see a doctor right away. I will call and arrange an appointment.
I agree, Mary. I am scared of getting sicker. I hope the doctor can help me feel better soon.
Don't worry, dear. I am here for you. I'll call the clinic now and ask if the doctor can see you soon. Please sit down and try to rest.
I hate feeling like this. I never thought I would be so sick.
I know, my love. It is normal to feel scared when you are ill, but you must trust that the doctor will help you. Just rest a little while I get everything ready.
Thank you, Mary. I feel better when I know you are with me. Your care makes me feel less alone in this.
I will always be here to take care of you. I'll bring you a glass of warm water and some soup. You need to keep yourself hydrated and rested.
That sounds nice. I'm sorry for worrying you so much.
Please don't apologize. Your health is the most important thing to me. We must take care of you now. I will get your coat and keys so that we can leave as soon as possible.
All right, Mary. I trust you. Let's go to the doctor.
Hold my hand, John. We will get through this together.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. I am Dr. Brown. I understand you are not feeling well. Good morning, doctor. Yes, I feel very sick. I have had a cough and high fever, and I feel very weak. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me when you first noticed your symptoms? I first felt sick 2 days ago. At first, it was a light cough, but now my fever is high, and I have a headache and sore throat. I see. Do you have any chest pain or problems when you breathe? I do feel a little pain in my chest, and sometimes I struggle to take a deep breath. Thank you for sharing that. I understand you are very concerned about yourself. I understand. John, I will check your temperature and listen to your lungs now. Please sit up and relax. Your temperature is high, and I hear some unusual sounds in your lungs. It looks like you might have a respiratory infection. I will write a prescription for you that includes a cough syrup, fever tablets, and some antibiotics. What does that mean, doctor? Is it a serious infection? It appears to be a chest infection. It could be viral or bacterial, but the important thing is that we start treatment now. I want you to take all the medicine as prescribed and get plenty of rest. I understand, doctor. Can you explain how I should take the medicines? Certainly. You should take the cough syrup 2 times a day after meals. The fever tablets should be taken every 8 hours, and the antibiotics must be taken 3 times a day for 7 days. It is very important to finish the full course of the antibiotics, even if you start to feel better. I will be careful to take all my medicines as directed. Also, try to avoid cold drinks and do not smoke. Your body needs rest to fight the infection. Drink plenty of warm water and eat light foods like soup and rice. I hope you get well soon, John. Now, please go to the medical store with your prescription so you can get your medicine. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call our clinic. Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help. Take care, and remember to follow all the instructions.
Good day, sir. How may I help you today?
Hello. I have a prescription from Dr. Brown. I need to get the medicines he prescribed.
Certainly, sir. May I see your prescription, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. I see that you need a cough syrup, fever tablets, and antibiotics. I have all these in stock. Let me get them for you.
That would be great. While you prepare them, could you please explain how I should use these medicines?
Of course. For the cough syrup, you should take 1 spoonful twice a day after meals. The fever tablets are to be taken 1 tablet every 8 hours. As for the antibiotics, you must take 1 pill 3 times a day for 7 days. It is very important to complete the entire course of antibiotics, even if you start to feel better.
I understand. I will be careful to take them as directed.
Good. If you miss a dose, it can affect how well the medicine works. I recommend setting an alarm or writing down a schedule to remind you.
I will definitely do that. Thank you.
Also, please be aware that the cough syrup might make you feel drowsy. So, if you need to drive or do any activities that require full alertness, take extra care. The fever tablets should be taken with a small snack if you can, because they might upset your stomach on an empty stomach. And if you notice any side effects, such as a rash or stomach pain from the antibiotics, please stop taking them and consult your doctor immediately.
I appreciate the advice. I will follow these instructions carefully.
One more thing, would you like a thermometer to help monitor your fever at home?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
Here's a digital thermometer. It's easy to use. Turn it on, place it under your tongue or in your armpit, and wait for the beep. The temperature will appear on the screen.
That sounds simple enough. Thank you very much.
I will now pack your medicines and the thermometer in this bag. Please double-check the labels and instructions when you get home.
I will. Thank you so much for your help and for explaining everything clearly.
You're welcome, sir. I hope you feel better soon. If you have any questions later, please feel free to come back or call us.
I appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too. Take care and get well soon.
Welcome home, John. How do you feel now after the doctor's visit and getting your medicines?
I feel a little better now that I have the medicine and I know what to do. The doctor explained everything very clearly.
That is good to hear. I was very worried about you, but I'm glad you're in good hands now. What did the doctor say about your treatment?
He said I have a chest infection and that I must take the cough syrup twice a day, the fever tablets every 8 hours, and the antibiotics 3 times a day for 7 days. He also told me to rest, drink lots of water, and avoid cold drinks.
Yes, I remember his instructions well. It is very important that you follow them exactly. I'll help you keep track of your medicine times. We can even write down a schedule and put it on the fridge.
Mary, I'll set alarms on my phone because I don't want to miss any doses.
Excellent. Now, let's put your medicines here on the table where you can see them. I will also get you a glass of warm water and prepare some light soup for you later.
Thank you, dear. I appreciate all your care. It makes me feel safe and loved.
I love you, John, and I want you to get well soon. We can also watch a light, relaxing movie after you take your first dose of medicine. It might help take your mind off the sickness.
That sounds very comforting. I always enjoy our movie time. It helps me forget about the pain for a while.
Let's also plan your medicine schedule for tomorrow. We can write down the times for the fever tablets, cough syrup, and antibiotics. For example, you might take the fever tablets at 8 a.m., 4 p.m., and midnight, and the cough syrup at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m., right after meals.
I like that plan. I feel more in control when I know exactly what to do. I will make sure to follow the schedule.
Great. I will help you set it up. And remember, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is very important when you are fighting an infection.
Great. I will help you set it up. And remember, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is very important when you are fighting an infection.
I'm here with you, John. If you feel too tired or if the medicine makes you drowsy, just lie down. I'll be right here to help you with anything you need.
I feel blessed to have you by my side. Today has been difficult, but your love and care make it easier to bear.
I'm always here for you, John. We will get through this together. Tonight, after you take your medicine, you can rest, and tomorrow we will follow the schedule we made.
Thank you, Mary. I promise to take my medicine as prescribed and to get plenty of rest. I really hope the antibiotics work quickly so I can get back to feeling strong.
I am sure they will help. The doctor and the pharmacist have given us clear instructions. Now, let's get you comfortable in bed. I will bring you your medicine, a glass of warm water, and later a small bowl of soup.
That sounds very good. I feel more hopeful knowing everything is set. I trust the doctor, the pharmacist, and you.
I love you, John. I want you to get well so we can enjoy many happy days together. Rest now, and remember, if you need anything, just call out to me.
I love you too, Mary. I promise to rest and follow the schedule. I feel much better with you here taking care of me.
Good night, my dear. Sleep well, and tomorrow we will start a new day of healing.
Good night, Mary. Thank you for everything.